Hey guys, welcome back to Social Net. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can log into Bank of China online banking account. If you have already registered for online banking account, then now you can log into your account using the login credentials that you have set while registering for your account. The process to log into your online banking account is pretty simple, secure, and straightforward. By the completion of the login process, you can have access to your financial transactions, account histories and details, payments, fund transfers, and many more from anywhere and anytime online. So in order to get started, all you have to do is watch this video very carefully and follow the simple steps. First, go to any browser on your desktop. Then on the search bar, search for bochk.com. Once you land onto an interface like this, go to the personal customer option and tap onto the internet banking option. Now you can see the login page for online banking account on Bank of China Hong Kong branch on a separate tab. So before you get started with the login process, there are a few things that you need to keep in your mind. You cannot log into your online banking account if you haven't registered for it at the first place. So in order to do that, all you have to do is tap onto how to apply and follow the instructions. Once you are done registering for online banking account on Bank of China Hong Kong branch, you will have a username and a setup password to log into your account with. So go to banking number or username text field and enter the username or banking number associated to your account. Then go to the password text field and enter the password that you have set while registering for your account. Now to verify, you will have to enter the code that you can see in the image here. In case if you have forgotten your internet banking number or username, you can just go and tap on to forget your internet banking number or username option in order to reset it. And similarly, if you have forgotten your password, you can just go and tap on to reset internet banking password option in order to reset your password. And once you are done entering your login information, you can just go and tap onto the login option here. And by tapping on it, you will have successfully logged into your online banking account on Bank of China Hong Kong branch. So with all this information, I think you can log into your online banking account in no time. And this will be it for today, guys. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to hit the like button if the video was helpful, subscribe to the channel and stay up to date for more videos like this. Bye bye.